The next type of topology is the physical ring topology. As its name implies, the ring topology network is set up in a circular or round fashion. Network data travels in one direction around the ring. Each device on the ring acts as a repeater, keeping the signal strong as it travels. Each device also uses a receiver to receive incoming signals and a transmitter to send signals to the next device. Installing a network with a ring topology is pretty easy. The installer must remember, though, not to exceed the maximum number of devices on the ring, the maximum ring diameter, or the maximum distance between devices. The ring topology requires more cable than a bus topology. This is because the cable must be brought back around to the starting device. Troubleshooting is much easier on ring topologies than on bus topologies. Each device is expecting to receive a network signal from a device upstream to it. If it doesn't receive the signal, the device will send a beacon. Advantages of a ring topology are that problems can be easily isolated, and they can also be configured with dual rings. Disadvantages include being difficult to reconfigure, and they also use more cable. The next network topology is the physical star topology. The star topology, one of the most popular configurations, requires a central hub. Each device on the network has a dedicated cable to this hub. This gives its star-like appearance. ArcNet and 10BASE-T Ethernet are some examples of networks that use the star topology. Installing a star network configuration is a little more difficult to install than a bus configuration. There must be a cable brought from each node to the hub. Troubleshooting a star configuration is usually easy. If one station cannot communicate, then the problem lies between that station and the hub. If all stations are down, the problem would probably lie with the hub itself. Advantages of a star topology is that it is easy to troubleshoot, and also problems with one station will not affect the entire network. One disadvantage, however, is that a large amount of cable is required. Next, we have the physical mesh topology. A mesh topology is separated from the rest of the topologies by having redundant links between devices. With a large number of devices, this can get pretty messy. Installing mesh configurations grows more difficult as the number of devices increase. For example, a true mesh topology of 6 devices would require 15 connections. Troubleshooting mesh networks is fairly simple. Media failures cause less of a problem in mesh configurations than in any other topology. This is because of the redundant links. They allow network data to be sent over several different paths. Advantages include fault tolerance, guaranteed communication channels, and easy troubleshooting. Disadvantages include the difficulty of the installation and the cost of maintaining redundant links.